Yeah, tomorrow night's going to be really nice out there. We'll have kind of warm temperatures, but really nice, low humidity.
It's good to know.
Yeah, should be great.
Nice sunrise right there.
That is pretty, isn't it?
Really nice sunrise.
How
I mean,
pretty.
Look at that. I mean, like we need that Elvis Presley music before he comes out of the concert. So I forget what they call it. Anyway, you can see the sunrise coming up really nice. The only thing is the airport, I'm not sure. I think the camera's pointed the other way, pointed towards the west. That's why this one looks so dark. But anyway, really nice morning out there. All right, so as we head through the day, it is going to be a nice day, but it's going to be a hot one. Now, what's important here is the temperature is right on the doorstep of hitting 69. If we hit 69 degrees this morning, you got to go back more than 80 days since we've had a low in the 60s. We're awful close. Nowhere near the record low, though, 57 set back in 1957. Look at Kerrville this morning. Bernie, lower 60s, 61, almost in the upper 50s. Fredericksburg, 63. And I think tomorrow morning, there may be some pockets here from northern Bexar County, western Comal County, Kendall into Kerr, and also Gillespie County, where we have lows 58, 59 tomorrow morning. I think that's entirely possible. And you can see 60s at Gonzales this morning. Relative humidity values, well, they're going to be low. Later on this afternoon, we're going to see relative humidity about 20%. What does that mean? That means those temperatures were around 70 this morning. We're going to zoom up close to 100, 98, 99 later on this afternoon, but not much of a heat index. All right, you can see how the humidity levels are dropping. The dew points are dropping, and tomorrow morning, probably even a few degrees lower than what we've got out there this morning. So when you got low dew points and you've got this kind of configuration with the upper level high, that means very little cloud cover. This afternoon, we may not have any clouds at all in the sky. And then the ridge will kind of flatten out. There's going to be some kind of a tropical wave disturbance here in the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to try to work northward, but the upper level winds may actually help to push everything off towards the east as we head into next week. So what I'm trying to tell you is starting Sunday, we've got moisture returning, and most of next week, we've got chances for scattered showers and storms. I think the bulk of the precip may actually end up towards Louisiana and Mississippi, but another trough kind of builds in for Wednesday and Thursday. So most of next week, we'll have at least some chances for showers and storms. Definitely no chance today. Highs in the upper 90s, 98, hardly a cloud in the sky. Let's switch gears real quick out in the tropics. Going to be watching the southern Gulf of Mexico over the next 5 days. Slight chance of some development, but something may develop there within about 4 or 5 days. Good chance of seeing a system coming off of Africa and Hurricane Larry, Category 2 hurricane. Before we get to Larry, though, Mindy, we had a tropical storm develop here in the northern portions of the Gulf. Now just a depression continuing to work off towards the north and east. Won't have to worry about Mindy. And Larry going to barely miss Bermuda as a Category 2 hurricane, but probably will miss Bermuda. All right, high today, 98, sunny skies, breezy. Winds out of the north at about 10 to 15. Tomorrow, 97, sunny and dry. Saturday, it's going to be hot, 95. And then that upper level ridge is going to weaken, and then we're going to have moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico pretty rapidly for Sunday and into Monday. 40% chance of seeing some rain, and I think about a 30% chance as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday with high temperatures closer to normal. All right, it's time for the weather tracker. We're out on 410 West near I-35 South. See what's going on with the weather tracker here. And well, it looks like you hit a pretty good stretch. Doesn't look too bad here, Station. What do you think?
Yeah, 410 West, I-35 South. It looks all right. Starting to see things back up on the other side of that, though, 410 eastbound.